Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Tillmans Corner local and long-distance movers near me. If you plan to hire a trusted and cheap Tillmans Corner moving company, 3 Movers is the right choice. We will get the job done responsibly and efficiently based on your unique requirements. Our reputation as a licensed and experienced moving company is excellent. You can hire us to meet your local and long-distance moving needs. Enjoy the following long-distance moving solutions and benefits with us. Packing services. Don't worry about the hassles of packing your items. We will get the job done to make you feel comfortable and relaxed. Moving supplies. Whether you plan to pack your items yourself or want us to perform the packing tasks, we offer the necessary packing supplies and materials. An on-time move. Our professionals always turn up on time and perform all tasks immediately with a clear focus on safety. Upfront pricing. We offer a free estimate that contains all relevant information, including price. Our commitment to transparency is unquestionable. Licensed and insured. All our professionals are licensed and insured to safeguard your interests. Your valuables will always be in the safest hands. As a trustworthy long-distance moving company, we are committed to making your move a safe experience. You can stay relaxed when you entrust us with your moving project. Our experts will take care of your needs responsibly and efficiently to make your relocation stress-free and enjoyable. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Tillmans Corner moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.